was easy. Hi friends, thanks for joining. Today on Friends Test Kitchen, we are going to make a simple, super easy salad recipe that comes from a famous actress who you may know, Diaz. So it wasn't long ago she posted herself making this summer salad, something she said is so yum and so fun, so we thought we want to try that at our house too. So Kat and I are going to try it for ourselves, so stay, cook with us, have fun with us, and then make sure you stay till the end to see if we think it's fun and yum as well. Okay, first we're going to make the vinaigrette. And we're going to start with a little bit of champagne vinegar. Red or white vinegar will work just fine as well. A little bit of olive oil. Juice from an orange. About half an orange should be enough. A little bit of garlic and a pinch of salt. And then mix it up really well, and that is it.
The first thing we need to do is just cut the corn kernels right off of the cob like this. And it's probably gonna fall everywhere, but that's okay. Oh, just as I said that, I have corn everywhere. These are the kernels that didn't fall on the floor. And so what we're going to need to do is put a little olive oil in a hot pan. So we're gonna roast these corn kernels. And they are gonna pop everywhere, so be careful.
Let me roll down my sleeves here in preparation for the popping.
Okay, so we're gonna add a little salt just for flavor and just kind of help the corn sweat. So while they pop, we're gonna go ahead and take some sugar snap peas and we're going to slice them into little discs, probably about the same size as the corn. Make it the same size or as close as you can. So Gina, what's your favorite Cameron Diaz movie?
Ooh, Something About Mary. I would say that's my favorite. And then second, I remember My Best Friend's Wedding.
I loved her in The Holiday with Kate Winslet.
Oh, that's right.
That was really fun.
I love me some Christmas movies. Yeah, that's a great one too.
Okay, the corn is nice and roasted and we're gonna mix it in with our cut up snap peas. We are gonna add our vinaigrette. Just gonna add in about just a little and go by taste.
I did the whole thing.
Okay, and then we're gonna add in some crumbled feta and a little salt. And then, believe it or not, Gina, we're done.
That was easy. My favorite part, taste time. All right, she described it as yum and fun. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay, go. I need a cold drink.
She did enjoy this with a nice cold glass of wine.
That would be good. That would go with this. It's good. Like, all basic, except the snow peas. I'd have to buy that, but stuff I would usually have in the house and throw it together. And it's not like a salad like with lettuce. And I don't know if you're getting sick of that by this time of the summer, but it's different in texture and it's good.
All right, Gina, let's do our rating system between 1 and 5. We're gonna talk about how easy this was and how delicious this was.
What are we doing first?
How easy was this? 1, 2, 3.
Super easy.
Now the big question, we do love Cameron, but is her summer salad, summer snack, a 5 as well? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'll make it again, for sure.
Yeah, me too.
And you know what else I like about this? Because I think of it because she says it's like a snack. It's like, but sometimes I have like one ear of corn left. So it's like, what do I do with this leftover? So it's kind of taking an idea of like leftover vegetables and then just dredging it in her vinaigrette. And it's easy.
All right, guys, there you go. The Cameron Diaz summer snack, summer salad. It was very delicious, super easy to make. And like you said, it is kind of fun. And you can have this as a side, a snack, dinner, lay some protein on top. But hopefully you try it and make it at home. And thanks for joining us this week. And make sure you come back next week as we try and taste some more recipes that really pique our interest. Bye guys.